Hello guys and welcome to today's trade recap. As you see, I lost another trade today. Um, Everything is planned. I did not rush, I did not overtrade, I did not enter emotionally, I did not do anything wrong. I entered how I'm supposed to do, but price action is having another opinion on this bitch. So let me go further on explaining how I did took this trade in the first place. So without further ado, don't forget the like button and subscribe. Let's reach 160 subscribe and let's go straight into today's video. So I really had a bearish buys today from the beginning of the day actually, because we are still trading in a downtrend. We still haven't broke structure above this high, and we actually took out the previous daily highs, and also on the 4-hour we are looking bearish because we have a liquidity sweep that swept out these highs that I was looking for. These highs got swept, we took out these highs. Previous daily highs has got taken out. We had in that time a bearish SMT, I think on the hourly, bearish SMT with USD GPY, but then we continued going down on Asian session. We broke structure to the downside. We did not market structure shift right here. We came down, we made a low, but we did not take out these Asian session lows. We did not took out the Asian session lows on London session open. So that caused us to be left with a high draws on liquidity. We have these Asian session lows, we have these low resistance draws on liquidity, we have these 4-hour lows, we have these hourly lows, or these 15-minute lows I guess, and we have this imbalance, 4-hour imbalance, and yeah, we have bunch of low resistance draws on liquidity to the downside, and market just took out the highs. We took out these highs and we took out these highs, and we took out pretty much all over the buy side liquidity. So by that time I was looking for, okay, market did rebalance from here. I scaled down to the 15-minute. Once New York session, I did not want to enter right here because market did not give the ability to enter the trade. The price just flew by very quick, and I did not see my setup, so I waited for the retracement and another liquidity sweep. I said price is probably going to do a liquidity grab another time after grabbing liquidity. So we have this imbalance right here, this fair value gap on the 15-minute. Price did retrace into it. We did took out these highs, and we took out these highs, and we respected this imbalance, and we dropped it with it. So I said, cool. We market structure shift. We did not close above these highs to make a break of structure to the downside. That means the bearish order flow is validated. And after that, I scaled down to the 5-minute after sweeping out these highs, filling up the imbalance, retracing, taking out these highs. I said, okay, price did fuck with me a little bit of time, but then drakes to the downside with this huge candle. I said, I'm not down best, I'm going to wait for a closure and a break of structure below these lows to actually validate the bearish order flow. So with that move, see this fair value gap, we ran through it. So I said, okay, we did retrace back into the inverse fair value gap. We filled this breaker block right here, and then I scaled down to the 1-minute. Okay, we did retrace back into this huge fair value gap. I'm not going to mark that out just because it's going to mess the place. So we have this big ass fair value gap, we retrace into it, and then what? We broke structure to the downside with a candle closer. What I'm going to do, I'm going to end the trade. Where's my stops? Above these highs. Where's my stop? Where's my take profit? I wanted to take a little better risk to reward ratio with the 1 to 2.5, so I set in my take profit right at the 50% mark of this hourly or 4-hour fair value gap. I don't remember. I could have been setting my take profit at these previous daily lows, but I said not a big risk, maybe price going to reverse from that, and took out another highs. So what did I do? I waited for my setup to form and I executed perfectly the trade. And now I'm actually going to show you the screenshots before the trade, during the trade, and after the trade. So this is my thought process on this trade. This image got taken out on London session, so I wanted these highs got taken out. They have this SMT. I'm waiting for a retracement back into this fair value gap, and then break structure to the downside, retracement into some imbalance or some 15-minute confluences, then break a structure, and I'm going to enter the trade. After that, we have what? Come on. This is on the hourly time frame. We took out these highs. It's very clear sell side model, market making model, or whatever they call them. The next thing, market did exactly what I wanted it to do, retraced into this fair value gap, respected it, market structure shift to the downside, created this huge imbalance. I waited for price to do its thing, to grab liquidity. Once it grabbed liquidity right here on the 1 hour, let me show you right here, the 15 minute or the 5 minute. So after that move, market goes up, grab this liquidity on the 15 minute, let me show you. Then boom, did this thing, did what I wanted it to do, and then just flew to my stop loss to hit it again. Am I mad on this trade? No, actually not. But I think just in another losing trade and my account will be blown. It is actually some crazy ass shit event that is going to happen, but I don't want to lose my account. But it is what it is. I don't have to be so emotional about this thing, because this is not the end of the world. This is not the end of the journey. This is just the beginning. This is my first funded account. I will buy more after. If I blew this account, I will fucking work every day at the demo accounts. I will open a demo account, demo funded accounts. I will do the back testing that I need for multiple pairs. I'll work more hours. I'll put more in work. I will be hard working as possible, and then I will buy another funded account probably, and I'll fucking smash that bitch and make a payout, and I'll catch and fucking book my words, bro. Keep my words back. I will fucking do that thing sooner or later. So without that being said, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. Hope you guys better trading journey, and I hope it for myself too. So with that being said, thank you guys. Goodbye.